You know, I get asked often about taking zinc and magnesium together. But if you want healthier prostate and stronger testosterone levels, better performance, you need zinc, you need magnesium. But here's the thing, don't take them together. Do not take them together. Let me explain why. So first of all, zinc is the king of prostate health. It helps shrink and enlarge prostate. It neutralizes inflammation, boosts testosterone production. But here's the catch. Zinc and magnesium compete and fight for absorption in your gut. So if you're taking them together, you pop them together, you're not really getting the full benefits. You're getting maybe half the benefits. And grains, whole grains, wheat and stuff, they reduce zinc absorption. Phytates found in whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds, they bind to minerals like zinc and iron and calcium, and that prevents your body from fully absorbing them. This is why people who eat a lot of whole grains and plant-based diets may have lower zinc levels unless they take extra steps to improve the absorption of zinc. So if you're taking a zinc supplement, don't eat a piece of bread because you're not going to get the benefit. So here's how to maximize your zinc absorption. You can take zinc on an empty stomach or with some protein, boiled egg, It's best absorbed when taking grains out of the picture. So get some meat or some eggs or some seafood and take your zinc in the morning. Magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for prostate function, better sleep. Healing comes with sleep, right? All healing occurs when you're sleeping. And it reduces stress as well. Low magnesium leads to higher levels of inflammation, weaker testosterone, weaker circulation. That's all, bad for your performance in the bedroom. It's bad for your prostate. No one loves that. So this is what you got to do. You take your zinc in the morning, take it with some fruit. I take mine with fruit in the morning. No grains, no nuts. And then you take your magnesium at dinner time, like before bed. Take it with dinner. Eating dinner at 5:30, 6:30. Take magnesium before bed, and you'll have a deeper sleep and a better recovery so your body can heal. All right? So split them apart. That's very, very important. And this will boost your prostate health, boost your testosterone, boost your energy levels. And this is what we need to do to take these crucial elements. This is what you need to do to get the full absorption of these elements. Share this with someone who needs to hear it.